Hi guys, so check this out.
Exposure low कर
This
दे यार
side, the left side is fake lash and this one is natural lash. अब मैं decide नहीं कर पा रही हूँ कि कौन सा better लग रहा है. One second, I don't think I've put on this right. ये गलत है. एक second.
मधुबा लाइट लेके आओ, switch लगा
Oh my God, it was so long. See who's here, Ridhima Pandit. We all know her. She's Rajni from Bahu Hamari Rajnikant, and we have all rooted for her in Big Boss and Khatra Mein Khiladi. She's done some amazing work.
Thank you so much. But what is taking you so long?
No, I'm live on Insta. Say hi to my followers first.
Hi. What do you call them? Anushkin.
Anushka, oh my God, yes. So they are just, deciding with me that which side is better. This one with fake lash or this one with natural lash.
Let's see.
ये सही नहीं है ना because it's poking my eye.
No, सही नहीं है, बहुत आगे. Let's just push it slightly behind. Yeah, now it's fine.
Okay.
Okay, let's show them.
Let's ask.
Guys, what do you think? Which one looks better?
Which one? Come on, tell me. Let's see the comments. Right.
No, they're saying natural is... so right side, yeah. So
Right.
the natural one is looking prettier and I always believe in it.
Yeah.
So some days, well, it's different. But no, listen to me. I
What should I
think
do?
you should get rid of this lash and just go for the whole natural look.
You know what? It's decided. 1 second.
Okay, all right. So, Anushkins. So guys, while she's fixing her lashes, I am here and today we're going to be shooting for Cetaphil Presents, not just a chat show, and it's going to be so much fun. We're going to be talking about so many interesting topics and interesting tidbits about what Anushka and I have been up to. We're catching up after a long time. But in the meanwhile, just in case if you have any questions for me, you can DM it to Anushka and she'll share it with me. But answers, सारे के सारे offline, okay? Okay, deal. Let's do this. Chalo.
Yeah. Okay, I have to say bye to my Insta fam. Bye, Anushkins.
Bye, Anushka.
Love you. Let's switch it off.
Let's go.
You killed it. Killed it. Wow.
How do you do this, yaar? Every time.
Let's go close.
It's, one of the things that I do, and I love doing this. I love informing them that, what's going on in my life, and they love this BTS. They want to know everything. And I'm sure they're going to ask you like a million questions. और मेरे को choose करना पड़ेगा. But I have to say, लोगों को लगता है ना कि actresses में नहीं जमती, इनमें बहुत कंपटीशन है, इनमें तो मतलब ऐसे बिची होते होंगे, ये एक दूसरे से बात नहीं करते होंगे, ऐसे मुंह टेढ़ा करके बढ़ते. But that's not true, right? You helped me with my lash, and not only that, you went on my Insta live, you spoke to my followers so nicely. So people should know that, right? कि हमेशा ऐसे actresses में ऐसा नहीं होता है.
Well, I agree to disagree because सच बात है कि हमेशा ऐसा नहीं होता.
Right.
But कभी-कभार ऐसा होता है and I have dealt with a lot of
Bitchy people.
bitchy ones as well who weren't as kind or nice to me when I had started my journey.
Same.
But I have nothing to say in return but be kind.
Yeah.
And now, the tables turn, sometimes they're nice to you. But I'm lucky that way. I have found my tribe. I have always had friends who are very, very helpful and that's what I believe in.
Yeah, absolutely. Guys, कितना टाइम है एक बार बता दो ना हमें.
We have only 30 minutes. Let's go.
30 minutes. Hey, do you want some lemon tea?
Lens.
Yeah, I think we should go
Yeah?
get some.
अच्छा listen, wait, let's do one thing. Let's go to the chat show area. वहीं पे बैठते हैं. Let's drink our lemon tea. Let's chill.
Okay, I need a makeup touch-up as well. Chalo,
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's go.
Exposure
Nice. So this is the formal setup of Cetaphil Presents, not just a chat show, huh?
Yes, with yours truly, Anushka Sen. I'm rehearsing before we begin. But yeah, lemon tea is here. Okay, so you have done so many reality shows. I have done reality shows, and हमने तो experience किया stunt show and reality and everything. But do you think कि ऐसा एक unrealistic standard है कि while doing stunts also girls should look beautiful? Do you think?
It's an unspoken, unsaid thing.
Right?
ऐसा मुझे लगता है.
हाँ.
क्योंकि ये stunts की बात नहीं है. I will share एक किस्सा. You laugh. एक बहुत इंटेंस सीन था मेरा रोने का. ओके, एक तो मुझे ना एक सैड गाना सुन के रोना आता है हमेशा. That always works. In teen.
हाँ.
और मैंने वो इतना गाना सुना, मैं एकदम से उस जोन में चली गई और मेरा जस्ट आंसू ऐसे निकले और मैंने डायलॉग बोल रही हूँ उसमें ऐसे सिसकियाँ लेके. And suddenly the director says cut. तो मैंने कहा क्यों? So he said, रोते हुए भी सुंदर दिखना चाहिए.
Seriously?
So there's no ugly crying which you cry in real life. You have to look very. And I had to do exactly that after that. मतलब आंसू भी इधर के नीचे इधर नहीं आ सकते. It's like that.
So what do you do about your skin? It's always glowing. Like, you know, even now I can see the glow within, not the highlighter. Like the glow within. How do you get that?
As cliche as it sounds.
Water. Please don't say water.
Truth is you have to be happy
भाई
inside.
यार सब पानी पी रहे हैं सही, मैं ही नहीं पी रही हूँ.
No, you have to be happy inside. Of course, genetics. My mother was gorgeous, you know.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for that. But at the same time, I focus a lot on my skincare as well. As actors, हम इतने घंटे मेकअप में होते हैं. So when we try and take it off, we really have to ensure वो जो steps हैं हमें follow करने चाहिए.
Absolutely.
और मैं ऐसे tutorials भी काफी देखती रहती हूँ, बनाती रहती हूँ. मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है.
That's nice.
So skincare पे मैं काफी focus करती हूँ.
Same. For me also, I guess for every actor, skincare is important.
Yeah.
So I swear by Cetaphil. Have you used Cetaphil before? I'm sure you have heard about it, right?
Yes.
So I thought that I love the experience, so you should also experience it. So I have curated a hamper specially for you.
Really?
Yeah, for you to try it.
Oh wow! Thank you so much.
Spot दादा वो hamper लेके आना ना please.
I love hampers.
Because I genuinely love the brand. So this is the hamper. I'll just quickly tell you my favorite products out of all of this. All of these products are amazing, but ये मेरा like literally favorite है. It's the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser.
You know, every dermatologist suggests this product.
Talking about dermatologist, you know, on my show we had these amazing women coming, you know, as guests. So Dr. Monica Jacob, she's an aesthetic
Yes.
physician, okay? So
Right.
वो मेरे show पे आई थी, and she told me one very interesting thing. कि स्किन केयर तो सबके पास है, सबको थोड़ा बहुत पता है कि यू नो ये करना चाहिए वो करना चाहिए, बट इफ यू डोंट यूज द राइट अमाउंट देन इट डजंट वर्क एट ऑल.
Ah,
Yeah.
correct.
So today I'm gonna tell you what she taught me.
All right, please.
Yeah. So this is the Gentle Skin Cleanser. It's good for all seasons, by the way. Okay. Now, like she taught
Especially
me.
अपने यहाँ पर इतनी humidity है.
हाँ, exactly. So you take this much amount,
Okay.
okay? And do you know कि if you have no access to water, कभी-कभी होता है ना कि you're in flight and you don't want to get up कि rinse करना है. So when you do this circular motion पे,
Okay.
you can just wipe it off with your tissue paper.
Are you serious?
पानी नहीं चाहिए. Yeah.
But won't it be logged into your pores?
Exactly not. That's why it's Cetaphil. No, it's this skin cleanser is actually very, very good. Yeah. Now you just wipe it off your hand and see, like it is a cleanser, but it's not stripping off the moisture.
It's really nice.
कोई cleanser ना क्या
And
करता है?
literally ऐसे लग रहा है कि अभी moisturizer लगा है.
हाँ, exactly.
I love it.
So now you do that, and then this moisturizing cream I've recently started using. It is literally so lightweight. I'll show you. See. It's called the moisturizing cream from Cetaphil. Okay.
Okay.
Now I take this much amount. Yeah. Okay. And now again in circular motions, very gentle, very gentle. See,
Oh,
it's very
this feels-
lightweight.
You know, it feels like it's instantly hydrating my skin.
Exactly, because this is lightweight and it's non-sticky and gives intense hydration. Imagine so
Right now.
much.
And I also read it
I love this.
stays for like hydrates for 48 hours and
Yeah.
helps restore the skin
See,
moisture.
look at your hand. Look at your hand.
Yeah, I can't wait to go home, take my makeup off, and just
Right?
apply this.
And now the most important part, by the way. Okay, tell me one thing. Quiz. How much sunscreen do you apply? Like, what is the amount? And how many times?
How many times? I
Yeah.
just apply once before I step out or maybe put my makeup on. Just like, or वो भी इतना because I don't like sticky
How
stuff on
much?
my face. This much.
Oh my god, that's a crime, according to Dr. Monica Jacob. Genuinely.
Okay.
I'll tell you. So she said that you have to at least apply it twice. You have to apply it when it's raining, you have to apply it when you're indoors and
Raining,
everything.
But why? And indoors तो why? There's no sun in.
You need this to protect your skin. That's why.
Really?
Yeah, and the amount that you're using is literally working nothing for you.
Are you
Must be
serious?
tanning, yeah.
No wonder my sunscreen.
Never works. Even for me, it used to not work because the bhai itna
my hands are
lagaya.
always tan. My neck face is always
Yeah.
looking a different tone.
So see, this is Cetaphil Sun. It has 50 SPF. Perfect.
That's sorted, yeah.
And now you'll be shocked with the amount. No, it's not this.
Okay.
Put your finger. 1, 2. This is apparently the amount you should apply on your face.
Guys,
One time.
Yeah, one time. And then reapply after a few hours.
Oh my God! Do you know how much I apply?
This much. I used to apply this much.
Literally, this is what I apply.
I know. and just use it once. Just see, there's no white cast, which I hate about some sunscreens. Right? It has bad white cast. This will just like see.
Let me see. This side, okay?
Yeah,
See.
you just apply it and mix it. See?
Yeah.
Amazing, right?
And there's a shine as
There's
well.
a shine as well. So after this, when you apply makeup, it's not going to ruin your skin also.
Absolutely love it.
Yeah. So now this is all yours. I have given you the tutorial.
Yay!
You can experience Cetaphil with me.
I think I'm going to go home and become a Cetaphil expert.
Oh, by the way, we've been chatting for a while. Guys, kitna time hai?
10 minutes to go.
Lovely, 10 minutes to go. Let's take some selfies for the gram, yeah?
My favorite pastime. Let's do it. The lighting is good over here, huh?
Yeah.
Such tiny hands. Give it to me.
No, that angle is also better. See, we can see the makeup and everything.
Exactly.
This is cute, no?
This one's damn cute.
This is better, this one is better.
I think this one.
I'm so
Lens,
confused. All
lens.
of them are so...
You're looking lovely now. Yeah.
Right? I should just put like a collage and everything,
Yeah.
right? My phone has been buzzing for the last 1 hour because you said, no, ask me any question.
yeah.
And my followers just want to ask you so many things. So it's ask me anything with me and you. Cool? Okay, so first question. If you were deserted on an island, which celebrity would you want as company? Ooh. There's so many people.
Oh my God. I think the newly married Ranbir Kapoor.
What does a guy have to do to get your like attention and get interested?
Be chivalrous, be honest.
One thing you absolutely hate, but you do it for your health.
Cardio.
You hate cardio?
I hate cardio.
I love cardio.
अरे मुझसे नहीं भागा जाता यार ऐसे aimlessly भागते रहो.
गाने सुन के doesn't help.
No, just doesn't help.
Really?
And I have an ankle injury. It always flares
Oh.
up. So not my
No,
scene.
no. Cool,
But
cool.
I have to do it, no, for my health.
So there's not only questions, but there's so many followers just saying, love you, Ridhima, loved your work in that show, in this show, and they loved you in that stunt show, of course. So there's so many love comments. So,
Thank you.
yeah. Next question is from my one fan who's like always asking about skincare.
Okay.
So that's why this question is from her. A skincare hack you swear by.
You know, what's that derma roller?
Oh yeah,
I use it once. Yeah, I use it once a week, and I really like it for my skin. I take a lot of moisturizer, which now onwards is going to be Cetaphil because you've introduced me to it, and I absolutely loved the texture. तो वो जो hydration देता है, I think वो derma roller से और you know enhance हो जाता है.
It's like an experience, no?
Yeah.
That,
खुद का spa.
yeah, खुद का spa me time.
Yeah.
Wow, so many questions.
Next question.
Okay, a celebrity you admire for their body. Immediately, first name,
Deepika Padukone.
their fashion sense,
Deepika Padukone.
their personality.
Hrithik Roshan.
Ooh, a fashion trend you never understood or you hate that fashion trend. I'll tell you mine.
Yes, please.
First, the shoulder pads one. You know, have you seen those tops which have this shoulder extension or something like that? It
Yeah.
looks weird on me. It doesn't.
Yeah,
suit
well,
me.
मैं बहुत पहना करती थी.
Doesn't look good on me. That's what I said.
No,
What
but I
about
think
you?
it look nice on you. You look nice and broad, you know.
I don't know. I don't like it personally.
But when you know, for petite people, it's very nice. But what one thing that I did not understand was, you know, kimonos type ऐसे लोग पहनते थे यहाँ तक बंद और पूरा. मतलब बॉम्बे वेदर के लिए तो वो बिल्कुल सही
No,
है.
no,
So,
absolutely
not
not.
at all.
Okay, I'm shooting question. But most awkward moment in your acting career?
मुझे ना एक्चुअली सेट पर गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा लगती है और हमारे यहाँ पे सेट पे ना वो एक जो एसी होता है ना उसका
वो
नाम है
Anaconda.
एनाकोंडा. तो मैं ना इतना चिल्लाती थी हर कट के बीच में एसी एसी तो मेरा नाम ही एनाकोंडा रख दिया था. एक शो पे मुझे लोग सब लोग एनाकोंडा ही बुलाया करते थे. सो या
Okay, that's amazing. That's
What about you?
interesting. What about me? I keep falling on sets for some reason.
Goofy.
Yeah, I'm very goofy. मैं कभी-कभी गिर जाती हूँ अचानक I'll slip and something like that would happen. So that's not the most awkward, but it happens. So it's normal for me. Okay, if not an actor, you would have been. That's an
A
interesting
singer.
question. A singer?
100% मुझे गाना बहुत पसंद है. काश मैंने फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग ली होती आज मैं एक गायिका भी होती.
My God, so many questions, but I'm so glad that everybody loves you so much. They want to ask you a lot of things. A moment, incident that made you feel insecure about your looks.
So yeah, like I said, in lockdown, we'd all gained weight. And you know, in the past also I've gained weight for roles.
Right.
But I don't know, maybe nobody noticed it. But in this particular lockdown, people got a reason to say that, you know, you have put on weight. So, you know, I'd uploaded a very nice picture on the gram and somebody said, ये ऐसी क्यों दिख रही है, वैसी क्यों दिख रही है? And I got like 5-6 comments like that, you know, कि मैं मोटी लग रही हूँ. And I felt so bad. I can't tell you. I went to my father and that's when my father said that, you know, if they love you, they also have brick bats for you.
Right.
So nothing is permanent, and always keep that in mind. So
That's
yeah.
a good advice. That's a very good advice. Okay, the best thing a co-star director has ever said to you.
So this is coming from my first show.
Okay.
You know, where I played the robot, Rajni
Yeah.
the robot.
That was your first show?
That was my first show.
Wow.
And you know, I got so much love, but my co-actors at the end of it, they kept saying that sometimes we really feel that you are a robot. You know, you are doing it so well, and it actually became my second skin. So
That's great. Because being a robot is a challenge. Literally
and,
acting
you
like
know, there were too many expressions to be given while being a robot, and that was a challenge. But I
It's
really enjoyed it.
amazing. Okay, now I'm going to ask you some quickies.
All
Okay?
right.
Quickly, what would you rather give up? Good food or good looks?
Good looks,
Okay. Grand gestures or tender moments?
grand gestures,
Strong script or more screen time?
more screen time.
Yes, our answers are same. Last question. What's the secret behind your bright, healthy and radiant skin?
Well, I've said this already kitni baar, but फिर से कह देती हूँ. One is of course you have to be happy inside.
Yep.
It shows outside. Second is skin care step जो होते हैं सारी routine वो करना है. और उसके बाद sleep,
Yeah.
diet, exercise. Steps बढ़ गए, but yeah, we have done this. Can we just do the show now?
Wait. I'll just ask them. Guys, are we ready to roll? It's been
Ready to roll in 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Baby को गर्मी लग रही है, जल्दी
Touch up.
करो.
Guys, touch up for Ridhima, please.
touch up,
And
touch up,
दादा
करना
पानी
जरा.
देना मुझे.
Right pen, right pen.
Guys,
Angela.
touch up.
Thank you, Dada. Thank you.
Quick.
Something is wrong with Anushka's hair. Just correct that. Exposure low कर दे यार थोड़ा.
Catch.
Lens. Right leg up. Shift to जल्दी. River पे. Guys, lights change करो.
Is my hair looking okay?
Just here, see. Just do this. हाँ, lovely. Perfect.
Let's go. Let's
Perfect,
go.
perfect. एकदम.
Ta-da!
Exposure
You look
low कर दे यार थोड़ा.
perfect.
You look gorgeous.
You ready for the show?
I guess जल्दी कर, अभी कब से हम ऐसे ही बातें कर रहे हैं. शो के लिए कुछ questions रखे कि नहीं तूने?
ये जब क्यू कार्ड मेरे हाथ पे आएगा
Uh-huh.
बस शो शुरू हो जाएगा. अच्छा, but before we begin, there's a question that I want to ask you personally as an actor. So, is there any mistakes that you've done in your career that you would like to share with me that people should not repeat?
Mistakes.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, there are a few. You know, ना बोलना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ये हमें आना चाहिए, especially हमारे फील्ड में. कितनी बार आपके दोस्त शायद कुछ ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं which you don't have your heart in, but you have to do it because you have a relation. But the real friends will always understand that it's your career choice. So don't be a people pleaser when it comes to your work. Never be late. Always respect everyone's time.
Absolutely.
And third, I believe when you're on set, everybody is an equal.
Yeah.
Always treat every single person with a lot of kindness, lot of love, respect, you know. And I'm not kidding you, the kind of hard work जो हमारे लाइट दादा, स्पॉट दादास करते हैं, उनका काम हमसे बहुत पहले शुरू हो जाता है और बहुत बाद में खत्म होता है. I don't think they see their homes.
Yeah.
So,
See, their family is also so late.
yeah.
That's so nice. I'm going to keep all of this
Always
in
remember.
my mind and I'm going to share with my fellow actor, friends and everybody, right? Oh, that was so good.
But listen, there's
Yeah, yeah.
one question which I want you to ask me. in your
Please
show.
tell me, I'm going to add it in the show. Tell me.
I want you to ask me about how my journey started as an actor.
Oh, that's lovely. Like, how did it start? Exactly.
You know, I always wanted to act since I was 6.
Really?
But मेरे घर में किसी का दूर दूर तक एक्टिंग से लेना देना है ही नहीं.
Same.
So, you know, I used to somehow look for ways. Then I tricked my father one day. I said, एक theatre workshop है. It's for एकजुट theatre group with नादिरा जी. तो मैंने बोला प्लीज़ मुझे ना वहाँ पे जाकर सिर्फ मेरा body language ठीक करना है. I want to, you know, learn everything. My father, being the innocent, naive person that he is, he said, of course, please जाओ. And I went on to do theatre for quite some time.
Wow.
And फिर उसके बाद I decided, क्योंकि peer pressure बहुत था, सब लोग jobs कर रहे थे. So I became an artist manager. Believe it or not, yes. I used to manage a lot of actors, and that's when I learned. Never, ever throw a fit or tantrum because you'll never have a repeat value.
That's true.
People should always talk good about you behind your back, and that will only happen if you're good to them.
Right. Absolutely.
That job taught me a lot. I traveled the world, but my true love is acting, and you know, I finally started doing it. Started with a lot of ads,
Right.
and the gradual next step was television, and it welcomed me with open arms, and that's
So
how I
cute.
got my first show.
Right. Wow. You know what? I love this. This is going to be my first question when we start.
Are you sure? Won't it be too heavy for the
No,
audience?
we have to get into details. People are going to love it. People are going to love you more, you know, when they know your journey.
Right.
Anushka, Ridhima, let's roll. Come on.
Oh, great. We are ready.
Finally.
Are you
let's
ready?
do this. I'm nervous now.
Oh God. Dada, sound check है ना? सब सही? एक बार check कर लो.
Check,
Sound check,
check.
sound check. सही है? Perfect.
Ready to roll? Ready, rolling. Lights, sound, and action.
Hello and welcome to Cetaphil Presents Not Just a Chat Show with yours truly Anushka Sen. And today as our guest we have the beautiful, inspiring and the most talented Miss Ridhima Pandit.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
It's such an honor to have you on my show. My first question to you would be, how did you begin?
Well, it's a long story.
Wow.
When I was 6 years old, I always
Welcome.